What's up, you guys? It's your girl MsPipscicle in the house, and I am going to show you one of my absolutely favorite best friend tools ever for trading. All right, but let's knock the disclaimers out of the way, and then I have two of them this time, you guys. You know the regular one, trading's at your own risk. Okay, number two, the Harmonic Scanner. It is a frickin' amazing, but you need to pair it with your own technical and fundamental analysis. It is not God. It has no emotion. If there is news like the NFP this past weekend, right? It can't feel that. It goes off harmonic, okay? Off of patterns, numbers, all that fun stuff, okay? It doesn't know the sentiment in the market. It doesn't know that Trump is going to speak tomorrow, okay? So those are just examples of reasons why you need to pair it with your own analysis. All right, let's get right into the simple stuff. Right here, you can go in and say you're a scalper and you're like, I want to see what's going on in the next 15 minutes, right? It's not going to pop these up or ding you and notify you that something's happening. You need to go to each one and look and see, is there a harmonic pattern that is pulling up for me? I sound like a rapper. It's amazing. All right? So here's a really cool one. It's kind of beautiful. Anyways, so it's going to give you your stop loss, your suggested entry. It'll give you 2 points. You can enter on each one. You could enter on both, whatever you want to do, right? Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. It is giving you a suggestion. It's saying, hey, I think the market's going to go this way, you guys. You know, this is what I'm finding in my mathematicalness, robotic computerness. Sorry about that. But so that's what it's saying to you, all right? I don't use the minute 15 much. I kind of stay away from that. Me personally, I like the higher time frame. I prefer to be on a 4-hour time frame, maybe a 1 hour. I think it's just better for me and my analysis. So you can scroll through here. Again, you're going to have to pick what you're looking for. If, let's say you're like, I'm trading silver, right? So you want to go to silver. Is there a harmonic for silver? I want to see if it agrees with my analysis or something, right? So, boom, there was one, right? Let me zoom out for you. So I also want to explain this. This is where you were supposed to get in at. This is where we are right now. This opportunity has passed you by, okay? Do not wait till this comes back up to the line and then get in the trade. No, that was then. This is now. This is not for you. It's invalid. It's over. You can, though, look at it and see if it was right. Like, okay, it told you to get in up here. You see that? And it was giving you from this level, which was actually a really good level. However, it didn't quite make it up that far. That's what I'm saying. Do your own technical analysis, right? You could have put your entry right here. Had you put your entry right here, look at that. You would have made it, right? So, it went to take profit, what? Just past take profit 2. It never made it down here. So this is not guaranteeing you guys, right, what's going to happen. Again, there's news and other things going on in the world that affect this. So, but it's giving you the suggestion. It's saying, look what I found, okay? This thing is highly accurate. It's highly amazing. I want to find one that's irrelevant so I can just show you. Sometimes you'll pick one. And I'm just going to do this for the sake of giving an example. Sometimes you'll pick one and only this shows up, right? There's nothing else. And it'll say up here, invalid symbol. That just means there is no harmonic for you, okay? No biggie. This pattern is, they're not detecting a pattern here, okay? Zoom in, zoom out's on the bottom. Pretty simple stuff. You guys, what's cool and really awesome about this, because I love TradingView, is you can go in here, right? And you're like, oh, I want to add my fibs over there. I want to see if I think this is a good idea, right? And let's just say you had done it from whatever, here to here, right? And you can put your fibs over. You can pull it up. You can play with this. You can move it around. You can come in there and you can make your own notes. And you could have been like, oh, you know what? Well, I'm going to put my entry point right here, because I think this is a better level, right? And I'm going to put my stop right here instead. So I love this tool because you can really customize it for yourself. It's going to constantly change. So when a new pattern comes up, right now, we see GC on top, right? Our GBP CAD, sorry, it's not the CHF. You see that on top. Well, if the market was open, which is not because it's closed, if the market was open, you might be in here trolling around through the harmonic market, right? And then you look and boom, that one's not here. It's down here and there's a new one up here. That means a new pattern just popped up on the scanner. So if you guys have any questions, if there's anything I wasn't clear about, feel free to leave me a question. I will answer them as quickly as possible. Like my video, show me some love. I'll make some more. And make sure you proper safe risk management.